you know that it's possible to make a light, fluffy, dairy-free whipped cream using the liquid from a can of chickpeas? Yes, my friends, this urban legend is true. It really works. And I'm going to show you how you too can try this fun recipe using just a few simple ingredients. But first I want to say hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christine, and I love showing you how to make wholesome plant-based recipes that taste delicious. Let's get started on making our whipped cream, also known as Aquafaba whipped cream. So to make our Aquafaba vegan whipped cream, first I'm going to combine the chickpea liquid, which is technically called Aquafaba, along with 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. We're going to beat this on medium speed for just as long as it takes until we get it just a little bit foamy. Now that we have a little froth going there, we can increase the speed to high, and we're going to beat it for 3 to 4 minutes. So once we can form stiff peaks, in other words, we can kind of bring some up like this and it sort of retains its shape, that's when we're going to add our powdered sugar. So we have 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And there you go, creamy, dreamy, and delicious from chickpea water. Can you believe it? Now you'll want to use this right away, or you'll want to store it in the freezer. It doesn't keep well in the refrigerator, it will sort of lose its shape. Wasn't that the coolest thing ever? I hope it inspires you to make it yourself. It goes great with a bowl of fresh berries or on top of a brownie. Let me know in the comments your favorite dish to serve with whipped cream. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. When you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll find out about new cooking videos when they come out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time.